All right, I am very determined to do some more plein air painting. It's a big part of my goals for my painting practice and my own like personal, mental, physical, and spiritual health to be outside with nature and sunlight and all that kind of stuff. So, oh puppies, come here. I'm about to go out and do some painting, get me a bubble tea or something if they're open, or like a Starbucks drink or something. And just practice more so drawing from life, because that's definitely a gap in my artistic ability. I want to like broaden my artistic toolbox and kind of stretch myself in different skills, so then I can use all of those tiny little skills I've built up and collected for my big pieces. You know what I mean? Does that make any sense? And I know that drawing from life and doing plein air painting is like a big thing that can be so helpful for your growth as an artist that I haven't done very much of. I wish I could take you with me, but I have to go by myself because I need to paint, and I can't do any dog babysitting, and you need a lot of babysitting. No, you just want kisses. You just want kisses and attention. So I'm bringing my little backpack. I'm bringing my plein air gouache painting and sketching kit, and I don't think I need anything else. Fingers crossed. This is learning for me. I was camping a couple days ago and I did it while I was camping, but I've never gone out just to plein air paint in my whole life. I have a hat. Check my little face. I have headphones so I don't get bored out there all by myself. I'm bringing hair clips in case my hair is all in my eyes. And this little backpack I've had for 100 years. I'm looking for a shady spot to sit. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find like a rock or anything, but there's this really pretty little spot right here that has a lot of shade. And I might just... Ooh, there's all kinds of fish swimming around as soon as I get close. It's gonna be in the dirt, but I think I might sit crisscross applesauce down here and do some painting. This is just a really nice spot. Okay, I might be crazy. Can I get up here? This is a stupid idea. Okay. Oh, this is dumb. Oh, okay. Okay, never mind. I did it. I got a good view. This one's a little quick and chaotic, but I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes. So I'm gonna get out of here, find a spot where maybe there's a little more wind for me, or just maybe away from the water for a little bit. It's hot as hell. So I'm looking for a shady spot to sit that also has a pretty view of something to paint. And I'm struggling. I cannot find a place to just get out of the sun. I'm walking on the very edge of the path just to get out a little bit of sun. Doing my best. I also didn't wear any sunscreen. Girl, what are you doing? There are some really beautiful flowers here though, look. I'm making friends with this duck. She's very cute. There she is. She's just looking for snacks. I haven't been able to find like a sitting spot, but this spot is nice, it's shaded. I've seen lots of little critters around here. So it seems like a nice space to like sit, maybe on one of these rocks over here. There are mosquitoes too, but she's going in the water. Waiting. She's also making cute little clicky sounds. So I think I'm gonna sit here, find something to paint. Maybe my little duck friend. I've got lots of video of her too, because she just keeps hanging around. I even walked away for a bit. I saw a deer and then I came back and she's like, hey, I don't want to freak you out, but I want to like go sit somewhere over there. So I'm gonna stand up, not to be scary. Actually might have found a log to sit on. It's following my duck and she went this way and there's a log over here. So I think this is a good spot. I swear to God, I was just filming a squirrel and it jumped for a tree and it missed and it fell. Are you okay? I don't see him, so I think he's probably fine. You okay over here? All right. Anyway, I'm gonna sit on this nice log. See if I see that squirrel around. My duck's over here. She's over there, taking some sips. I kind of really like this tree trunk. So I think I'm gonna try that and see how that goes for me. So I think the biggest thing I've been struggling with when I'm, here's my mouth, when I'm painting in plein air is that I really struggle with my tonal values and finding the things that are, dropping my paints all over the place, finding and defining the things that are the darkest and the lightest, and creating like interesting compositions based on that. So I'm like looking at this and I was like, there's like barely any tonal contrast whatsoever. But that's why I'm out here. That's exactly something that I know is kind of weak in my work, and I'm out here trying to work on that. I still see my duck. She's just hanging with me. Oh, we're besties. Anyway, I think focusing on a single object is really gonna help me try and get that composition and like darkest points and most highlighted points and mid-tones simplified. Those concepts simplified, not those concepts, just a simplified image so I can attempt that. I feel like I keep trying for things that are a little too complicated for me, and I need to settle down a little bit. I'm just so over everywhere I look. There's another thing I want to paint everywhere, and I'm just like snap, snap, snap. I take pictures everywhere, and I'm like, there's so much beautiful stuff out here. So I'm gonna do this trunk with these leaves on it and see how that goes. I made this sketchbook, and I made it to be perfectly fitting so that I could clip this tiny little gouache palette onto here. It's really nice. I actually tried to slow down a bit on this one, and I think I actually really like how it ended up. It's definitely not perfect, but I feel like I was really able to achieve the backlit effect that I see and was going for. So that's kind of nice. That's kind of nice. I definitely am like, even just from the last painting I did, I'm seeing progress in my ability to take in visuals and process them and then reflect them in my paintings, which is crazy. I feel like progress that soon is really wild. But I'm really investing myself into this specific skill building. So I'm doing good. It's hot as hell. I am hungry. It's time for me to go home. So I'm going to leave it here. Got lots of more plein air painting to do in the future, and I will see you in the next video. I didn't know you had a boyfriend. That's really cute. He seems nice. I don't want to bug you guys. I'm just heading out. I'll see you later.